Hello students, today we are going to solve some problem of independent events. जैसा कि मैं ऑलरेडी आपको बता चुकी हूँ, independent events which A and B are two events such that occurring of one does not affect the occurring of other event. वन की जो होने की दूसरे को अगर इफेक्ट नहीं करता है, एक का होना दूसरे को इफेक्ट ना करे, देन द इवेंट्स आर सेड टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट्स. एंड दिस इज द फॉर्मूला टू चेक द इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट्स आर इंडिपेंडेंट और नॉट. If probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B, then the event are said to be independent events. Now we are going to solve the questions from 7. Now question number 7 is, two events are given A and B such that probability of A is given 1 by 2, probability of A union B is 3 by 5, and probability of B is given, that is P. Now we have to find the value of P in first condition if they are mutually exclusive events. Now what is the meaning of mutually exclusive events? Two events A and B are said to be mutually exclusive if their intersection is a null set. And if their intersection is null set, then we can write probability of A intersection B is equal to 0. Now formula of finding the probability of A union B is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, where all the values are given. Probability of A is 3 by 5, probability of B is probability of A union B is 3 by 5, probability of A is 1 by 2, probability of B is P minus probability of A intersection B. But because A and B are mutually exclusive events, that's why probability of A intersection B is 0. Now substitute the value of probability of intersection B. We will get P is equal 3 by 5 is equal to half plus P minus 0, and therefore value of P is 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2, and it is 1 by 10. Okay, now the second condition, find the value of P if the events A and B are independent. Now if events A and B are independent, then probability we can write probability of A intersection B as probability of A into probability of B. Formula is same, but probability of A intersection B becomes probability of A into probability of B. Now again substitute all the values. Probability of A union B is 3 by 5, probability of A is 1 by 2, probability of B is P minus probability of A into B, so half into P. By solving this we get value of P as 1 over 5. Okay, now our next question is question number 8. Let A and B are independent events with probability of A is 0.3, probability of B is 0.4. Find the probability of A intersection B. Here it is given that A and B are independent, therefore we have to use directly formula for finding the probability of A intersection B. Probability of A intersection B, then probability of A into probability of B, because both are independent events, and it is in 0.3 into 0.4, it gives us value 0.12. Second part is we have to find the probability of A union B. Now formula of probability of A union B is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Now substitute the value of probability of A, probability of B, and probability of A intersection B. We will get 0.3 plus 0.4 minus 0.12, and by solving it we get value 0.58. Now third part, we have to find the conditional probability of A when event B is given. ठीक है, A over B की probability find out करनी है, तो it is probability of A intersection B over probability of B. Now probability of A intersection B हमने already solve कर लिया, it is 0.12, and probability of B is 0.4. तो आंसर इज 0.12 over 0.4, that is 0.3. Okay, and the last part is probability of B when A has already occurred. So it is probability of B over A, and it is probability of A intersection B over probability of A, or we can write probability of A into probability of B. ऐसे भी हम दे सकते हैं, तो probability of A is cancel, probability of B, that is 0.4. ठीक है. Now coming to the next question. A and B are two events such that probability of A is 1 by 4, probability of B is 1 by 2, and probability of A intersection B is 1 by 8. Find the probability of not A and not B. Now we have to find the probability of not A and not B. So here probability of not A can be represented by A dash, and gives intersection and not B gives B dash. Now by using De Morgan's law, A dash intersection B dash can be written as complement of A union B and its probability, complement की probability क्या होगी 1 minus probability of A union B. Now again probability of A union B is 1 minus probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. और ये तीनों वैल्यूज़ हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, वो सब्सिट्यूट करके इसको आंसर मिल जाएगा हमें इसका 3/8. मेन थिंग इज नॉट ए मीन्स ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट, नॉट बी मीन्स बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड दैट गिव्स द सिंबल ऑफ intersection and we have to use the De Morgan's law here. Okay, similarly question number 10, events A and B are such that probability of A 1/2, probability of B 7/12 and probability of not A or not B. It is given not A means A dash, or gives union and not B means B dash. These things are given. So and probability of A and B are also given 1/2 and 7/12 and one thing is given not A or not B. Now probability of not A and not B means probability of A dash union B dash and again by De Morgan's law we can write it as probability of A intersection B complement and complement की probability हो जाएगी 1 minus probability of A intersection B. अब इसमें वैल्यू सब्सिट्यूट कर देते हैं, अगर हम इसकी नॉट ए और नॉट बी की गिवन थी प्रोबेबिलिटी डेट इज़ 1/4, इसको सॉल्व करके हमें आंसर मिल रहा है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज इक्वल टू 3/4. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज स्टेट वेदर ए एंड बी आर इंडिपेंडेंट और नॉट. तो फॉर डैट वी हैव टू चेक प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी डेट इज 7/24 एंड इट इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. It is 7/24. So it means A and B are not independent events. Okay. Now the last question, given two independent events A and B such that probability of A and B is given. Because events are independent means A and B means intersection. Formula use करके आप बता सकते हैं A and not B. A and not B means A minus B or we can write it as probability of A minus probability of A intersection B. फर्स्ट पार्ट में इंटरसेक्शन की हमने निकाली होगी पी ए इंटू पी बी. पी ए बट नॉट बी मीन्स पी ए माइनस पी ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. इसी तरह इसको वैल्यू सब्सिट्यूट करके सॉल्व कर लेंगे और इसी तरह से आप इसके बाकी पार्ट भी कर सकते हैं. लास्ट पार्ट है नीदर ए नॉर बी, मतलब ए डैश इंटरसेक्शन बी डैश. फिर हमें यहाँ डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ यूज़ करना पड़ेगा और आप इसके यहाँ तक क्वेश्चन आज कंप्लीट करेंगे.